Today we review the 2026 Ferrari F80, a hypercar that isn't built for nostalgia, but for the future of speed. Ferrari has thrown out the V12 in favor of a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, a 3.0-liter 120-degree V6, twin turbos, revving to approximately 9,200 RPM, plus 3 electric motors, 2 driving the front, 1 acting as the MGUK behind the engine. Together, they produce around 1,184 horsepower, 627 pound-feet of torque, and a sprint to 60 miles per hour in about 2.1 seconds. That combination of combustion and electric isn't just for show, it's tuned for intensity, precision, and control. Drive the F80, and you immediately feel the pedigree. It corners ferociously, thanks to active aero components, the S-duct up front, the tri-wing over the bonnet, deployable rear wing, active diffusers, working in tandem. The pushrod, inboard dampers keep unsprung mass down, enhancing grip. Braking from Brembo's CCM-R Plus setup gives immense stopping power. At speed, the downforce is staggering. Over 1,000 pounds at both front and rear at 155 mph, making it feel planted even under serious load. The chassis is as much a masterpiece as the power. Ferrari uses 3D printed lightweight control arms, asymmetric cockpit layout, driver's seat slightly ahead of passenger, and exotic materials inspired by the 499p endurance racer. Interior is focused, controls feel driver-oriented, steering is tactile with physical buttons, visibility decent considering performance intent, and despite its performance shape, ride comfort isn't completely sacrificed. In calmer modes, the F80 shows a softer side, though you always know you're in something extreme. One of the most compelling innovations is Ferrari's boost optimization system. It learns track and road segments, straights, curves, optimizes power delivery so the hybrid system gives you maximum oomph when and where it matters. Modes like performance versus qualified change how aggressively battery and electric motor assist is utilized. The result, a car that can be civilized on the road, yet savage on track. Of course, there are trade-offs. The price is astronomical, servicing and maintenance will cost heavily, and the hybrid battery's extreme performance will demand excellent cooling and infrastructure. Also, at full performance, range and efficiency take a back seat. But if your measure of a hypercar is how it feels alive, how it pulls you into each corner, how it sounds under load, the F80 delivers. Summing up, the 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just a successor to the LaFerrari, it's a new benchmark. It might have fewer cylinders than past flagships, but the engineering ambition, performance numbers, and sensory experience are Ferrari through and through. It's expensive, exclusive, and excitable. For those chasing ultimate hypercar finesse, the F80 is code for future, now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more hypercar reviews, extreme speed tests, and deep dive showcases.